Traveler 136, Namaste from Bali, Indonesia. Today being our last day at Bali. It is going to be really an awesome show where we are going for Bali Nusa Dua Theatre. And this theatre is going to be more of musical, as we saw musicals in England. It is going to be more over that. There are a lot of dances in it and also acrobatics, which is just going to be super interesting. So this is what the show that we're going to watch is Treasure of the Indonesian Archipelago through Devdan. And when the word Devdan, it means Deva and Dhana, which means God's grace, and basically the Indonesia's treasure are God's gift for Indonesian people. As you can see, Bali is full of trees, just so organized and just so pretty, and the greens looks really nice. The show is about two young children who are parts of the tourist group in Bali, and they feel bored, go on a tour itinerary and set themselves apart from the group to climb a cliff, and while they are doing that, they're witnessing the treasure of Indonesia. Let's see more about how the show looks like and what it is going to be at the show. Let's go and check that out. So this is the glimpse of the Devdan show. That's the Lezang dance. They have the goddess Uma. They have the Kekak dance in it too. Saman dance and Pekut, which is the traditional whip that is used for herding cattle. And a little of rain dance that will happen. Aerobatic flag dance, which will be seen. And right now what you can see is Bedaya dance. The elegance of all women dance modified from the ancient court Bedaya dance gives this one a Javanese spirit. So all of this is with a Western twist, and the show days are Monday, Wednesday, Friday and Saturday. You can definitely come here and get your tickets, and it is, as said, a must-see show. So more about Devdan show is when you come here, and half a day is what you have to spend. Make sure that you be doing that and have a great time witnessing the amazing show at Bali. So this one is one from Bali, Indonesia. The last one from me, Travel with Trika. Thank you so much for tuning in and getting to know more about the travel looks. I have been having a crazy great time getting the travels across you guys, but we missed out on 2-3 of them, which will definitely be covered in vlogs.